What the heck are you doing?
Spinning plates.
Spinning plates, okay. And why?
Well, you know, they always say that working at Florida Virtual School is kind of like spinning plates. And really, maybe if you're a teacher or non-instructional or even a student, there's just so many things that you have to stay on top of.
Yeah. You know what? It does take a lot of collaboration, doesn't it?
It does.
I mean, you hardly ever use stuff all by yourself, so why don't we do a stuff episode on that?
Well, that would be great. We could show like tools and things that would really help you work with teams.
Tools. I was talking about an episode on spinning plates.
Oh, that'd probably be a good one too. The first tool we're going to show you is a nifty one called Doodle Scheduler, and it's used for helping your team get organized. It's a simple tool that allows you to propose the best times for you and your team to meet, and then lets them vote on the ones that's best for them.
So it's kind of like the scheduling function in Outlook, right?
You know, it kind of is, but since Doodle Scheduler is web-based, you don't need any special software. That's particularly good for students or partners who may not have all the same calendar and scheduling software on their computers. Here's how it works. With Doodle Scheduler, as the organizer, I would propose, say, 3 to 5 different meeting days and times, and then send that link out to everyone. The team members would then individually vote on which ones are best for them. Once they all do this, as the organizer, I can see the day and time that's best for the team, schedule the meeting, and go from there.
Like you said, Jeremy, it's a simple and easy tool to use to help get everyone on the same page, and half the time, that's really most of the battle, isn't it?
You're exactly right.
Okay, the next one we have to show you is something called Wiggio.
Wiggio. Wiggio. I just like saying Wiggio.
And you wonder why I...
Wiggio.
Never mind. Anyway, we've found Wiggio to be an incredibly powerful project management tool. Just wait till you see how it works.
To start with, a project member goes to the Wiggio website and creates a group for the project of the team. Once that group is established, it allows you to access a whole suite of tools designed to help you and your team communicate efficiently with each other. What kind of tools? Well, let's show you.
Yeah, one of the coolest features is the ability to send texts and voice messages to each member of your team. Wiggio also lets you create a new text or spreadsheet document right within their interface. And for existing documents and files, you can upload and share those into the project file, keeping them nicely organized. Team members can even edit the uploaded documents.
That's right. And then there's a calendar function that lets you schedule meetings.
After you found the best time using Doodle Scheduler.
Right. After you found the best time, you can schedule meetings and then use the site's online meeting room to access a great whiteboard tool and other collaboration tools, similar to those in Illuminate.
And finally, there's also a nice polling feature that you can use among each other as well. Check out Wiggio. We think you and your students will really like it.
Next up is a tool called Edistorm. It's one of the more unique collaboration tools we've found on the web.
You mean the Technosphere?
Right, the Technosphere. And it's very easy to understand and use.
Yeah, it's kind of like if we were to set up a big cork board and a pile of sticky notes. We could all jot down our ideas and then we would organize them up on the board. Then we might vote on who's got the best ideas and so on.
Edistorm allows you to do all that in the browser with remote team members. It can even be used asynchronously. That's great because I know I sometimes get great ideas in the middle of the night.
Yeah, I mean, Edistorm, it allows you to organize your stickies by color, drag them around on the screen, and even vote on them to narrow down the best ideas. Each Storm administrator can even export to XML, PDF, or a summary view. And your storms, they can be either public or private.
The Edistorm system even has idea bots that help you come up with ideas based on the content of your existing stickies. And you want to hear something really great about Edistorm?
Do tell.
It even works on iPads, iPhones, and Android devices. There's an iPhone app that lets you jot a quick idea onto your storm when you're on the go. And best of all, if your smartphone or other mobile device has a web browser, then you can even use it mobily. And that's great functionality.
Mobley.
Mobily.
Is that a real word?
Sure.
Yeah. Okay. Anyway, I think that students will like this one because it's very visual and to the point.
So head over to edistorm.com and sign up for a free education account, which has a free private board to keep your students safe and start brainstorming.
Our last item for today is Twiddla.
Twiddla.
Yeah.
Wiggio.
Twiddla.
Wiggio.
Twiddla.
All right, back to the point.
As described on their website, Twiddla is a no-setup, web-based meeting playground. So if you enjoy using Illuminate's whiteboard function, for example, or actually any of the online whiteboards out there to collaborate, then Twiddla might just be the tool for you.
Think of Twiddla as a tool for doodling and drawing. The thing that makes Twiddla different from Illuminate and other whiteboards, though, is the ability to not only draw on the whiteboard space, but you can also capture documents, images, Etherpad documents, even an entire web page. Their unique co-browsing functionality allows you to mark up everything, insert text boxes, shapes, and it really just takes everything in your digital world and turns it into a drawing space.
Yeah. And there's even a built-in chat feature that allows you to communicate with your meeting partners. The best part of all this is that there's no login required for you or your meeting guests. You literally just click on the green Go button on the Twiddla.com page and you're off and running.
So there you have it. 4 tools for collaboration that you and your colleagues or students should enjoy using. All very different, but ones that complement each other very well.
So remember, Twiddla,
Wiggio,
Twiddla,
Edistorm,
and finally, Doodle Scheduler.
and Wiggio.
Gosh, will you give it a break already? Twiddla,
Wiggio.
Twiddla.